Hi! In this video, we will verify if the Erica Diarte Carr GoFundMe is scam or legit. So as you can see, we have in here a GoFundMe option. And in here, they have actually raised $787 out of $5,000 goal. So there are actually some donation, anonymous donation, and you can see in here a number of people that have donated. So for this one, in order to know if it's legit or scam, we need to verify if the organizer is connected to Erica itself. So there are actually legitimate campaigns typically clarify this relationship. So this one actually checks it out. So it actually has a purpose and the use of funds are clearly stated. And a transparent description helps build trust, like for example of this one. Now, it also have donations and comments from known friends or family members, which indicate legitimacy. And Erica has control over the withdrawals because there's a clear path of funds for her. Now, it also provides detailed information about how the funds will be used and who will benefit. So as you can see, the funds will be used for her own funeral. So you can see in here, it's used. So I hope this video helped you out a lot. Thanks.